Good morning students. Today I am going to teach 10th maths second chapter triangles, continuation of the previous video. So today I will teach one theorem. That theorem is called AAA, means angle similarity theorem. So theorem, it states that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. I have drawn two triangles ABC and DEF. So what the theorem states, if in two triangles, so these are the two triangles, corresponding angles are equal. Which are the corresponding angles here? Angle A is equals to angle D is a corresponding angle, right? Then angle B is equals to angle E, right? Angle B is equals to, then angle C is equals to angle F. So corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, then their ratio should be in same, and hence the two triangles are similar. So you have to prove these two triangles are similar. First we'll write what and all given. So what is given? Two triangles ABC and DEF, right? Two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, such that what? Here they have said corresponding angles are equal, right? So angle A is equals to angle D, we can write. So angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. Then what you have to prove here? Two triangles are similar. So we'll write to prove what? Triangle ABC is similarities to DEF. So for proving this, we'll construct the line. So construction, we'll write construction here. You have to construct a line here. Such, how you have to construct? It should be equals to AB. You have to take same measure of AB should be equal to this which you have taking point. That should be equal. So draw P and Q. We'll draw P and Q, okay? Draw P and Q on which? DE, right? On DE and DF, such that what? I said this should be equal to that, right? So such that DP is equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC respectively, and join. Then what you have to? You have to join that line PQ. So we have to mark a point P here, such that that should be the measure of AB, and Q also measure of AC. Then you will join a line here. So we'll draw this line. Next we'll start to proof. So we'll take two triangles, this ABC and triangle DPQ. So in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, what and all are equal? We have to see. AB is equals to DP, right? How? We have got from construction. So AB is equals to DP, right? The reason construction. Then angle A and angle D is equal, right? From where you got? From given. So angle A is equals to angle D, given. Then which is equal? And AC is equals to DQ, right? That is also from construction. So AC is equals to DQ by construction. Now observe this. What you have got? Side, angle and side, right? So what we can say? By using SAS congruent rule, these two triangles are congruent, right? You have studied in your 9th standard SAS congruence rule, right? So we can say therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by what? By SAS congruent. If two triangles are similar, then what we can say about the angles? Their corresponding angles are equal, right? So we can say what about this? Angle A and angle B. Sorry. Angle B is equals to angle P, right? Right. Angle B is equals to angle P by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. If two triangles are, we have taken this triangle and this triangle, right? If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equals to angle D. You will get angle B is equals to angle P, and angle C is equals to angle Q. Right. So these are the corresponding angles. A and D. B is equals to P. C is equals to Q. These are the corresponding angles. So we have written these two triangles are similar. We can say angle B is equals to angle P by CPCT. But we have already got angle B. What is that? But angle B is what? Angle E. From where you got? From given. That you have to write. So from this, observe these two. Same, right? Angle B, angle. So we can say angle P is equals to angle E. Angle P is equals to angle E. So this angle P is equals to angle E. When we can say these two angles are equal? So if you take this, you have studied this, right? These two angles are called corresponding angles, right? Corresponding angles are equal. When you will get corresponding angles? If you have two parallel lines and one transversal line. So if these two lines are parallel only we can say that they are corresponding. What if it is not a parallel line, non-parallel line? If these two lines are non-parallel, then we cannot get corresponding angles are equal. So corresponding angles equal only if these two lines are parallel. So we'll say this here, angle P and angle E is equal we have got. So when it will be equal? If these two lines are parallel. So we'll get, hence PQ is parallel to EF. Hence PQ is parallel to EF. So now you got PQ and EF is parallel. So what we can say by BPT theorem? If a line is parallel to other side of a triangle, what we can say in using BPT theorem? Their sides are proportion, right? DP by PE is equals to DQ by QF, you can say, right? Or else one more condition I have said, you can say DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. Both are same. DP by PE is same as DP by DE. So we'll write that condition here. So DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. But what is DP? We have in construction we got, right, DP is equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC. So we'll substitute this here. In the place of DP we'll substitute AB, and in the place of DQ we'll substitute AC here. So AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. So we have got AB by DE is equals to AC by DF, right? Similarly we can say that BC by EF, right? So similarly AB by DE is equals to BC by EF. So what we can write these three conditions together, right? AB by DE is equals to AC by DF is equals to BC by EF. So we got three sides are proportion. If corresponding three sides are proportion, then what we can say? These two triangles are similar, right? So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Hence proved. Students, take down this homework. State and prove AAA similarity theorem. The same theorem which I have proved, that you have to write in your homework book and study. Write and study this theorem. Thank you.